How to become a tech expert in West LA. Tips and tricks from our computer support channel. 1. Start with the basics. Before diving into advanced tech skills, make sure you have a strong foundation in the basics of computer hardware, software, and operating systems. This will help you understand the fundamentals of technology and make it easier to learn more complex skills. 2. Take courses or attend workshops. There are plenty of courses and workshops available in West LA that can help you develop your tech skills. Look for classes at community colleges, trade schools, or even online courses. You can also attend workshops and seminars offered by tech companies or organizations. 3. Get certified. Certifications are a great way to demonstrate your expertise in a particular technology or software. They also show potential employers that you are committed to learning and staying current in the tech industry. Look for certification programs in areas such as networking, programming, or cybersecurity. 4. Join a tech community. Networking with other tech professionals can provide valuable knowledge and resources. Join a local tech community or attend meetups and events to connect with like-minded individuals and learn from their experiences. 5. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to become a tech expert is to practice what you learn. Set up a home lab or volunteer for tech projects to gain hands-on experience. This will not only improve your skills, but also build your portfolio and make you stand out to potential employers. 6. Stay updated. Technology is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay updated on the latest advancements and trends. Follow tech blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and attend conferences and events to keep yourself informed and knowledgeable. 7. Get involved in open source projects. Open source projects are a great way to contribute to the tech community and gain experience. You can find open source projects on platforms like GitHub and contribute to code, documentation, or bug fixes. 8. Offer your services. Offer your tech services to friends, family, and local businesses. This will not only give you hands-on experience, but also help you build a portfolio and gain references for future job opportunities. 9. Learn from online resources. There are plenty of online resources available to learn tech skills, such as YouTube tutorials, online courses, and coding boot camps. Take advantage of these resources to learn at your own pace and expand your knowledge. 10. Be patient and persistent. Becoming a tech expert takes time and dedication. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing and learning new skills. With persistence and determination, you can become a tech expert in West LA.